everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! Oops. Oops. How's everybody doing today? Well, if you heard that bang noise in the background, it's because I got my other phone, and as I'm doing this video, I'm also looking at the Australian Opening. I want to see who's winning. Who's going to win today? Who's playing Tsitsipas and Leke? I don't know how you pronounce his name. However, yes, y'all know I'm a big tennis fan. So anywho, I wanted to share with you all. I went shopping yesterday, y'all, and I was at Sephora, and you wouldn't believe what I got. Yes. I know. I couldn't resist. I bought a palette. I mean, I haven't bought a palette forever, guys. But however, I bought this new one. I guess it's a new, the newest from Huda Beauty. It's called Empowered. That's a nice way. From Huda Beauty. It's a beautiful palette. Okay, it wasn't cheap, but Huda Beauty's palettes are never cheap. I paid for this 65 euro. So, but I mean, I like Huda Beauty. Yes, I'm a big Huda Beauty fan. I really love their palettes. Now, if I can only get into it, I'll be doing really well. Okay, so trying to get it open without it breaking, you know. I like to keep the boxes. Y'all know me. I always got my boxes. I don't know why I have this fetish with having my things in a box. Gives me the illusion that the things are still new. I know it's weird. It's a weird thing. But this is what the palette looks like. It's really pretty. I'm not sure what type of material that is, but it gives me a little bit of a 3D effect, but it's cool, as you see. Very pretty. And this is what it looks like inside. Oh, I'm having a hard time getting it open. Oh, isn't it so pretty? Oh, look at those colors. Ooh. Oh, wow. That's neat. I don't know. Can you guys see this one right here? I don't know. It has like it's like indented. I don't know. I've never seen anything like that. I don't know if that was a mistake or I don't know what happened. But however, I'm in love with these colors. Yes. So I'm going to try that out. And some other things. Of course, I got my Huda Beauty Fauxfilter Luminous Matte. It's a liquid concealer. It's what I usually put over my eyes before I put on my eyeshadow. And this is a new one too. This is a really cool one because I don't know if you guys ever seen they call this a face gloss. It's a highlighting dew gel illuminator, which gives you that kind of dewy, glowy look. I mean, but it's really dewy looking. I wouldn't want to put it on my face because I was talking to the lady, one of the makeup artists yesterday, and she says that when they tried it out, you know, you put this face gloss first on, and then you put the foundation over it, and then whatever else you put on. But she said the problem with that was it just came out all cakey, and I believe it. I totally believe it, and I think it's not good for the skin. It clogs up your skin pores, and you know, ugly things can happen. So I bought this because I always wanted to have like that. I don't know if you've seen those eyeshadows, and then they have like this gloss over it. It looks so pretty. It's different. It's like a glossy effect. So I bought this because it's kind of gooey, like jelly-like, and then, you know, if you put it on your eyebrows, and it, you know, gives you that bit of a glossy, dewy effect. So, however, and the lady said that that the pieces are made from actual gold. They're actually gold ornaments or gold pieces in there. Apply gloss tint on top. Let's get makeup and using the index finger to add a dewy highlight to the eyes. Yeah, eyes, face, and body. Yeah, see, you can put it to the eyes. But they say, they applied it wrong, because she said that when they applied it, when they tried it out, they put it on first and then put the makeup over it. So yeah, okay, I can understand why it would give that cakey feel, because that's not good. That's too much products. And then you put this heavy thing on first and then you put the stuff on. I don't think it's good. But here they say you support, this is a top coat, which makes sense, because that's what I wanted to do after I applied the eyeshadow. I wanted to add this glossy effect afterwards. So yeah, that makes sense. So they obviously did it wrong. Helps to read. Anywho, this is what this looks like, the case. It's really pretty. It's gold. Very pretty. I like Huda Beauty. Yes, I do. Oh, and look at that. Isn't that pretty? So those are the gold pieces in there. And if you touch it, yeah, it's like it's almost like a light version of Vaseline. It's not Vaseline, of course not, but looks pretty. Yeah, those are the gold pieces inside. Very luxury looking, isn't it? Can't wait to play with it. So yeah, that's that, and that's it. And then of course they gave me a little present. In total, I paid €112 for everything. For this, and then the palette. So 112. That's not okay. It's not cheap, but it's not too bad. They gave me I don't know. I never use these samples. Clarins Paris. This is not my stuff. Moisturizes and quenches silky cream. I have a huge bag of samples. One day I'm going to do a giveaway and then include all these good old goodies in there. I mean, I've got everything from, I've got all the best in there. I got, this is from Douglas, which is our makeup shop. Got La Mer. Stuff I never use. There's some nice samples too. This is from Sephora. La Prairie. Line interception. Okay. Now, I don't use any of these things. That's why they're in here. And I've been collecting them forever. So one day, like I said, I will do like a giveaway because I want to give this away. This is a huge bag and I'm not using it. It's just sitting there collecting dust. I see the dust flying already around. So anywho, yeah, let's get started. Yay! And in the meantime, let's see who's winning. Oh, Tsitsi Pass. Oh, Tsitsi Pass is winning. I don't know if you guys keep up with tennis, but well, Tsitsi Pass is from Greece, and he's a really good tennis player. Actually, one of my favorites. Comes out like a Greek goddess. Not bad. Anywho, let's get started. Stick around. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my makeup and do my eyebrows and everything, and then show you all which amazing colors I'm going to use today. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, see you in a bit. How to keep the healing.
How to keep the healing.